everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Original, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be going over some nail products that I recently purchased. The products that I bought was the iGel Beauty brand. This is their dip and dab collection. These powders can be used with monomer to do acrylic, or you can also use them to do dip powder nails. So I picked up a few of those, and I also picked up some gel polishes where they're duos. They come with a regular polish, and then it comes with the matching gel. They was having a big sale not too long ago where it was 60% off. So the powders, I think they're normally $14, but I got these for this way. So I got these for I think $5.60, and then these they were $8 originally, but I got these on sale for $3.20. So first I'll be going over the powders that I picked up, and then I'm going to do swatches on the gel polishes that I picked up. Alright, so the first color I got is this Focus 24 karat, which is what I'm most excited about. And this is what it's looking like. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's 24 karat. Next color I got is Fluffy Bunny. I think this is like a gray color. I picked up a gray because I don't have gray acrylic. And I try to pick up colors that I didn't already have, because I was just testing them out. That's that color. Next I have Disco Ball. Alright, next I have Caribbean Sea. This is a really pretty blue. Oh, that's really pretty. Next I have Fairy Dust, and on the outside it looked white and I was upset, but you can open it and tell that it has, well, it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't know how well it's picking it up on camera. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It has just enough shimmer, not too much and not too less. That's really pretty. And then last I have Cosmic Latte, which is like a nude, but it's like a beige or a tannish nude. And I picked this up because most of my cover colors are like on the pink side, so I wanted something that had like a tan or brown tint to it. Okay. So those are the only 6 that I picked up. Now that I got them, I wish I would have got more because they was on sale. But even for their regular price, $14 is not bad for 2 ounces. So, alright, so next we're going to get into doing our swatches for the gel polishes.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alrighty, so that is all that I have. That was all of my acrylic swatches and gel swatches. So far I can say that these products seem as if they're going to be easy to work with. I'm actually pretty excited to work with these products. I do see myself ordering from them in the future. Like I said, their prices are pretty affordable even without the discount that I received. So yeah, if you're a beginner and you're looking to get into some new products, I would definitely check them out, especially the duo, because the duo packs are only $8. So that's like paying $4 for the gel and $4 for the regular. That is extremely cheap, and they're pretty decent quality from what I can see so far. So if you made it this far in the video, shout out to you. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comment section below. Or if there's any video ideas you guys can think of, please comment down below and let me know. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.